Okay, here we go, YouTubers. Yes, I know. This is kind of unplugged. It's in my basement, and I had shoulder surgery 7 weeks ago, so I'm just getting back into it, but I'm thanking God. And one of my favorite songs is Psalm 51, King David. The prophet Samuel, you can read Psalm 51. The prophet Samuel comes to David. He convicts him because, why is that? Well, it's because David committed adultery and murder, which is really heavy when you think about it, because God said David is a man after his own heart. So, I mean, this is really, really amazing. Committing adultery and murder and being after God's own heart. Amazing. So David, he had a baby with Bathsheba and the baby died. But then God blessed them, they got pregnant again, and guess who the second child was? King Solomon, the greatest, wisest man who's ever lived, Jesus said, basically. So anyway, Psalm 51, David confessed and said, create in me a clean heart, O God. Don't take your Holy Spirit from me. When David was a young man, he would play his harp before King Saul. King Saul had a demon, and when David played his harp, the demon left him. So it's pretty powerful. So David never wanted to have that Holy Spirit leave him. So here we go. Create in me a clean heart, oh God, and renew a right spirit within me. Create in me a clean heart, oh God, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, O Lord. Take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and renew a right spirit within me. Create in me a clean heart, oh God, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, O Lord. Take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and renew a right spirit within me. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and renew a right spirit within me.